Hello, in today's video I'll explain all functionalities of the multifunctional module on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. The multifunctional module has a lot of different functions, as the name says. And now let's see the first one, which is detaching and reattaching it in both directions. So that is pretty useful. You can just press and hold on this lock to detach it, and then you can reattach it, as you can see, so it faces the front or the rear. There is a USB-C, and it can be used to output power to your phone, but also to connect to your phone directly to send data from the microphones, because there are microphones built in. As you can see, there is built-in receiver for the microphones. Microphones are sold separately, but you can connect them to first and second port, so that is extremely useful. You don't need any additional microphones. You have the receiver right here. You just buy additional microphones and you can vlog, you can do interviews and everything else that you'd like. And then on the front, we have a light and a camera. The camera is used for tracking. To use it for tracking, you don't even need to be in the app. All you need is to have this part attached. Press on the trigger on the back once. It lights up green, and now as I move around, it will start tracking me. As you can see, it starts tracking me. So that is really cool, really useful. Then, when you either press and hold on this button here, then start rotating it, you can increase the power intensity of the light. Press and hold to turn off again. Or you can do that here by pressing on the turn on button to turn the light on. You can press on this other button to change the color of the light. And you can click again on the power button to select a higher intensity level. That is super cool. And these are basically the functionalities of this multifunctional module. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.